Thank you for checking out the Sullivan County School District's new website. This is a brief tutorial to show you where things have landed in the migration to the new website template. Across the top of the screen, you are going to see menu items. Hover over a menu item to see additional drop-downs underneath. The number of menu items that you see is dependent upon the size of the screen that you are viewing the website on. If you do not see a menu item, hover over more and it will show up under there. More on those to come. Beneath are pictures that are scrolling of different aspects and events of our district. We have the live feed section. This is where administrators post upcoming happenings and events going on in our buildings. If you would like to see past posts, click on See All Posts. You can scroll through and check them out. These are also posted on the district's Facebook. To get back to the main screen, the main website at any time, you can click the back arrow or simply click on the Sullivan County School District. Beneath the live feed, you're going to see the news section. These are also informational items that are posted by your district's administration. If you would like to see all news, click on See All News. These are also posted on Facebook. Beneath the news section, you're going to see some highlighted events for the upcoming school year. For more detailed information on events, please be sure to check out your child's building-specific calendar that is sent out monthly. Let's take a look at those menu items. If you hover over our district, it's going to show you drop-down items. This is where you're going to find information such as district policies, information for the Sullivan County School Board, administration, as well as other important items like our general fund budget and comprehensive plan. If you're looking for building-specific information, you can click on the Sullivan County High School or the Sullivan County Elementary School. If we hover over the high school, you're going to see some quick links that populate for you to have quick reference to, such as the high school teacher directory to get to your child's teacher's website, the parent portal to access information and grades, and the Griffin Student Handbook. If you want more specific high school information, click the high school homepage. The same goes for the Sullivan County Elementary School. Here you can find quick links to the elementary parent portal to check your child's grades and important updates, as well as the elementary school teachers directory. This is where you will find lesson plans and assignments and links to things that are specific to your child's classroom. If you click on the ES homepage, you will fall on the Sullivan County Elementary School's website landing page. Here you will find building-specific information, such as lunch menus, PBIS, and tutoring. Next, let's take a look at services. Under services, we have technology, special education, health and nursing, transportation, and food service. Click on a caret to see additional drop-down items. The Athletics and Activities tab is going to highlight the athletic happenings within our district. If you click on the Big Teams link, it will take you to the Griffin Athletic website that will provide additional information. You can also find the athletic handbook and information on Athletes of the Week here as well. Under the More tab, we have Employment. This is where the district posts vacancies and also information for the application process. Under the Community tab, this is something we are going to continue building. You will find information that's important for community members, such as the school calendar, use of school facility application and process, as well as alumni news and Hall of Fame news. Our goal is to make our website more user-friendly. If you have any questions about where to find something within the Sullivan County School District's website, please contact your child's school office and they can provide additional information. Thank you very much for checking it out.